welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted something, and honestly I haven't had time, but I said today I'm going to make the time to put something out for my friends and family and faithful viewers who have been keeping up with my Instagram page at Glamorous Feffy _. So being that it's wedding season, I decided I wanted to give it a try and show what my take is on bridal makeup. I have been observing a lot of makeup artists on Instagram, Facebook, wedding shows, anything possible just to grab ideas, learn new things. I know in my last video I mentioned that I'm engaged, so you know, I guess it just comes naturally that you start looking at all these wedding things, right? So with that being said, I'm going to do my take on a bridal's look. I've already pre-prepped my face using my Garnier Skin Tactive micellar cleansing water, and I'm trying a new foundation that I found it works out really good with my skin now that I'm more tan than I was in my previous videos. I did go to the beach not too long ago, so I did catch a massive tan compared to my skin shade that I was before. I'm trying out Clinique Beyond Perfecting. It's for combination skin. My T-zone is oily and I feel like it matches me much better now that I'm tan. It's in the shade Buttermilk. So that's what I'm using. It's actually one of their lightest shades. So I did use this prior to being tan and I feel like I looked orange or too yellowish. So I wasn't fond of it prior to, but now I actually do really like it. And I did use my Sonia Kashuk to apply my foundation. As you can see, I've been using it. It's actually a body sponge, but it works really good for foundation. I feel like it gives me even distribution, and it works really well when it's damp. So I highly suggest either you dampen it with some setting spray, or you can just run it a little bit under the faucet, squeeze out the excess water, and you're good to go.
I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Now, I know that bridal makeup can be really simple, elegant, sometimes even very natural. Now, I am on the Wedding Wire forum. I do read a lot of the comments and questions that many brides-to-be have, and that is, what kind of look should they go for? And honestly, it depends on your theme. A lot of brides have a theme, what kind of makeup you're into. Of course, it is an elegant and formal day. You want to stay as, I would say, as natural as possible, but you can always add some color. That is why I decided to do a bold bridal look, because I think that it's okay to have some dark browns and blacks in your eyeshadow, but definitely keep it simple on the lips and the rest of the face. It's okay to be bold, and possibly even for an evening wedding. If your wedding is from 3 p.m. on, I think that a bold look would look great. Now, if you're doing a brunch kind of wedding or a 9 o'clock in the morning wedding, maybe just omit the black and just keep it within warm beige brown tones and rose golds and pinks and golds. I think that would look good depending on the time of day, if that's what you're worried about as a future bride. Maybe those are the types of things to consider. Always make sure you have setting spray, powder, primer. I know that many makeup artists already know that ahead of time and do handle that, but there are brides who are trying to be budget friendly and save money. And that is another thing I've seen on the forum is, I'm planning on doing my own makeup, what do I use? Honestly, you would have to go to the store, spend a couple of hours in there, see what works for you, what products work for you, what kind of skin do you have, and definitely play around with it before you attempt to do it yourself on your actual day. Give yourself time, practice, watch videos, and have those main things that I mentioned on hand, because you will need them, especially if it's during this summertime weather. In my case, I'm in Florida. It's hot, it's muggy, this is raining season. Waterproof and primer as well as setting powder will be your best friend in the summer. Now, if you have combination skin, like oily in your T-zone or overall oily, it's still gonna be your best friend no matter what season it is, if that's the type of skin you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can send me a message on Instagram at glamorousfeffy_. I'd be more than glad to answer it for you. And with the help of my little cute bow, I actually got this at TJ Maxx for $5.99. And yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Just a quick close-up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.